Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create and monitor an application consisting of several services in Zabbix. If you want to monitor, for example, an application that consists of a database, Windows and Linux service, web server on a different host, then I will show you how to do it as follows. First at all, open your Zabbix. Then click on Configuration and now Services. Click on Add Child and enter the name of your application in the name field. I will type Test App. And since this is just the name of the application, we will not set triggers yet. Now click on Add. Okay, that is our app, but now is empty. We will now add the services that our application consists of, respectively triggers for certain services. Now click Add Child, and I will first monitor my XAMPP web server on port 80. Parent service test app, and now trigger. You have to choose right host, and I will show you that right now. My web server is now on my desktop host. Okay. Item 80. Okay. Here is my created item, XAMPP port 80. And I have also one trigger for it. And now I have to choose my desktop host and find trigger port 80 XAMPP. Now add, and as you can see, our app already have one child element or one service. Now click again Add Child, and I will add just another child element, and that is one service, and that is one Windows service, for example TeamViewer. Okay, I will show you that right now. Here is TeamViewer. Okay, and I can stop it or start. That is just for example. Okay. Now select and I can choose trigger. TeamViewer is not running. Okay. Now add, and now I will add just one Linux service, for example, and that is our Virtualbox service. Now test add child, Virtualbox. Okay, trigger. I have installed my Virtualbox on Zabbix server. I have to find Zabbix server, and now I have to create a trigger for Virtualbox first. Configuration hosts, Zabbix server, items. I have already created Virtualbox, and now I have to create one trigger. And if you want to know how to do it, I can show you that right now. You have to click on latest data monitoring, choose your host, type name of your service, and here is Virtualbox, last value 3. And if I close my Virtualbox, after a few seconds, value is 2 and then 0. Okay. And now I know if my service is running, value is 3, and if not running, value is 0. And now is 3. Now I have to create a trigger configuration hosts, then choose your Zabbix server, triggers, create trigger, Virtualbox trigger, severity high, and expression. Item, select. Now I have to choose Virtualbox. Here is. Okay, I created the item. And if last value is equal to 0, then I will be notified. Okay, now add. And here I have to choose my new created trigger, Virtualbox trigger, add. And if you have, for example, MySQL database, you can also put trigger here. And if something is in problem, you will be notified. And that is our app. Now I will stop my Apache web server. Click monitoring services, and as you can see, some port trigger have a problem, and our app also have a problem. And if I start my web server, I have to wait a few seconds, and now everything is okay. And that is one way to create an app that consists of different services, triggers, databases, and so on. And in the next tutorial I will explain to you how to do all this and show it in a Zabbix map. Unfortunately, Zabbix does not have an option in the maps with which you can create an application that consists of several different services and triggers on different hosts. And if one of the listed triggers, for example, here has a problem, our created application also reports the problem. But I will show you a trick by which you can still get the same result as throughout the services. Plus you will be notified by email if any of the services related to your application have a problem, and your created application will change color depending on trigger severity. But more in the next tutorial. Thank you for your watching.